Hi everybody and welcome to another edition of Simon Says
Let's learn English.
Do you ask questions correctly in English? Let's find out. Now, in English, there are many words we can use to ask questions. For example, we can use who, what, how, when, where, and why. However, in this lesson, we're going to learn how to ask questions using do and does. Take a look at this sentence. He drives to work every day. Now, in this example, the word he is a subject pronoun in the third person singular. But how can we change this sentence into a question using either do or does? Now, because he is in the third person singular, we have to use does in order to make a question. So the question now becomes, does he drive to work every day? Now, because he is in the third person singular, we have to use does in order to form a question. Okay, now this driver's name is David, and the subject pronoun he is used for David. Now, because he and David are both in the third person singular, we can change our question to become, does David drive to work every day? Now, the subject pronouns for the third person singular are he, she, and it. Look at this sentence. Sara works in a hospital. Now, Sara is in the third person singular. Therefore, the question becomes, does Sara work in a hospital? Now, the subject pronoun for Sara is she. So the question can now become, does she work in a hospital? Let's take a look at this example. The car needs a new tire. In this example, the car is in the third person singular. So the question becomes, does the car need a new tire? Now, the subject pronoun for the car is it. So the question can also be, does it need a new tire? Right, so what you need to remember is that we use does whenever we want to ask questions with he, she, and it. So when do we use do to ask questions? Let's find out. Now, we can use do to ask questions with the first person singular I or the first person plural we or the second person singular or plural you or the third person plural they. Let's look at some examples. Do you understand this lesson? In this example, you is the second person singular. Or I can say, do you all understand this lesson? And in this case, this is a second person plural. Do they live in a big house? Now, they is the third person plural. Do we need to take a taxi to the airport? In this example, we is the first person plural. Do I have to take a bus or a train? Now, I is in the first person singular. Okay, now let's look back at the main points of this lesson. Now, to ask questions in English, we can use does plus he, she, it plus a verb. For example, does he like coffee? And we can use do plus I, you, we, they plus a verb. For example, do they play football? Now that brings us to the end of this lesson. Make sure to stay tuned to another edition of
Simon Says,
Let's learn English.